Hi everyone, today we'll see the market analysis how market has been behaved on 12th June and the plan for 13th June. If you see yesterday there was a good fall, we have seen that it's breaking continuously and forming a lower lows which indicates some negative trend from past 2 days. So today it fortunately it opened a gap up around exactly the zone where we have a very high stop loss will be there. So the place where it has opened and given a very strong big bar for PE side. So if any time we face these big bars, if it won't cross either lower side or upper side, we cannot go for a either short or long, because this candle is a major candle which covered in either SLs or uh, whether I mean both sides SL will be there. So okay, so same case when we see, so I was expected lower side rejection, because from past 2 days we have a opposite rejection. Past 2 days we have a downside market. If you see exactly the pace, it tried to cover more half of the part and taken a rejection and formed a doji candle, and then a very strong this candle around 935 candle which is covered almost all three candles. So in this retest pattern, exactly the place where this candle without even if it covered the red candle, so I thought of going for a short entry. So I went for a short entry and closed here exactly because the trend line where it is taking multiple times support. So I have exited here with a small profit, 1:1, around 1:1. So I have waited whether it will cross this, whether if days range this, if it crosses this, then I thought of going for a long. Otherwise, if it breaks below this, I thought of going for a short. So same case, if you see here at the time after taking a much consolidation, exactly the place where here given a very good breakout around 11:55 with a strong volume both in a Nifty and Bank Nifty, as well as Bank Nifty also very given a very good volume 11:55. See, exactly this range has been broken and given a good volume. So I thought of going for a long, where I went for a long immediately. So if it is a place where it is giving a breakout, just a wait for follow up candle. So immediately, mm, not here. Sorry, I missed it. So here I have taken an entry. I'm going to extend this line. Yep, here. So here I have taken a trade. Immediately it hit my SL. If you see, this is around 210. So we thought 210 breakout after post. I mean 2 o'clock breakout. It will be a very strong breakout, which should not have a mostly fake, not fake out. So I have entered very confidently here. With the next two candles, it hit my SL. So after that I have entered around 3-1, because previous trend was a negative trend, but it tried to cover and stayed in the same range. Here it has taken a multiple times rejection. If you see here, one time rejection, second time rejection. So third time I was expected there will be a rejection with a small SL. So immediately it has been rejected. And stayed into the same trend line. Same in the here, even if it is opened a strong bearish candle in the first 5 minutes, it is Nifty is forming a higher high formation slowly, but not in the case of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty if opened a gap up, but forming a lower low formation. So it both are in a opposite direction today, because I mean which side also, CE side or PE side also not confident, because both are in opposite. Either one will pull other. So that's what we have waited a much, and we got a three trades. We have done a three trades, which is out of one is hit SL and one was break even, and one was taken a profit. If you see, no, it touched a CPR and stayed below the CPR, but Nifty is in at the exactly in the middle of the CPR. So coming for the tomorrow's plan, as we expected, some trend changing sign has been occurring. If you see here, see exactly here where taken engulfing and formed a follow-up red candle. So after forming a follow-up red candle, we expected some range bound momentum today, which was expected, and it has formed the same. So here in Nifty it formed a doji and stayed into the same range until it broke 530. Then 18530 we cannot expect a much downfall. Okay, same in the case of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it's like an inside candle only from past 3 days. After forming the big bearish candle from the and double top, also it formed exactly here double top. So it exactly after forming a double top, it is giving. changing the direction. So if one red candle forms and next and breaks this 43,700, then we can expect a much fall. But in before that we can expect some range bound market before giving a fall, because it stayed in this range, it is staying market many days. So this is the range from past 3 weeks, it is there in the range. Until this range broke, we cannot expect a much big targets here. So when it comes to a 15 minutes time frame, so as we discussed, it is forming a lower low formation, and in 15 minutes it broken the trend line and stayed below the trend line. So if it opens a flat and taken a retest exactly at the trend line, we can go for the short position. If it opens a gap up, stays above this green trend line, we can go for a long. But immediately we have a resistance around 44,180 immediately, and then if it breaks 44,200, then we can go for a long. Otherwise market will be staying some more consolidation phase. If it breaks at a lower side, then we can tomorrow is a Nifty expiry, then we can expect a lower side target around 43,800, and then immediately around 43,600. Coming to Nifty, it is exactly in the range bound and forming a trend line in 15 minutes, but with a very slight momentum, it stayed below the trend line. If it opens a gap down, we have a immediate resistance around here 593, and then 580, and then 562. So hope tomorrow we can expect some up move. And also we have, if you see exactly, we have a symmetric triangle pattern happened. So if this breaks and stayed the market above, we can expect the target around here, how much length it is, either downside or upside. So hope three times or four times we have a rejection from this horizontal line, but it is forming a higher high formation. So if it breaks this trend line around 43,000 for 18,630, then we can go for a long around 60 points. That's it. Thank you.